Yeah, we got our outdoor solar floodlight in today. It's got a solar panel and 3 lights on it. Let's get it opened up. Let's get it put up right up there. We'll check it out when it gets dark and see how well it works. But right now, let's see what's in the box. I kind of got it opened a little bit, but then I thought about making a review on it so you'll know if it's worth buying or not. Have our instruction manual. Well, we got this carport in, and I'm going to attempt to put the solar panel up on top of it or on the roof or somewhere where it can get some sunlight. Have our mounting screws. A small solar panel, but sometimes it doesn't take something real big to be able to run this, because it is motion detection, so it's not going to run all night. So it shouldn't drain the battery too quickly. Let's get it up there, and hopefully I don't fall. If you get on a ladder, be careful. Our cord to connect from our light to our solar panel, kind of what it looks like. Get it up a little closer so you can see it. And this is supposed to be removable. May have to look at the directions and see how to get that off of there. Well, wait a minute. Oh, it just slides right off. Okay. And then we can mount that up on the roof, because it is on a pivoting arm right here. So we can turn that. Yeah, let's make an attempt on getting this put up there. We'll worry about this light first, then we'll worry about the solar panel. We'll get our table, our work table over here. Our trash can. But, you know, it works. This pivots too. So that'll, in case you didn't see it a while ago, right there will be for our motion detection. So we want it to look down like that. Well, I think we got all our tools ready. Climb up there and see what we can do. Man, I don't like this. I ever mentioned I'm scared of heights? I do not like heights. I'm gonna put that like that. Looks pretty straight to me from there. All right. Well, we got our holes drilled. Now let's see if we can get the screws put in. Make sure that bit ain't too hot and catch us on fire. That would not be good. Not that it really would anyway. I'm just being a little sarcastic. Trying to be funny because I'm nervous wreck up here. Yeah, we can do this without dropping our light or our screw. And that's that. That gets our light up to that part. Now, see if we can't get our solar panel up there on the roof. For that, we're going to have to get on the roof. Okay, let's go up on the ladder. And y'all are going to go with me, so if I fall, y'all are going to fall with me. We got our solar panel, we got our screwdriver, we got our ladder. Let's make an attempt at not falling. Hopefully we do better than just attempt it. Y'all hold on tight. Here we go. If I ever mentioned I hate heights, I think I mentioned that twice already. Boy, that roof is hot. We made it. So far, so good. We got solar panels up here too, by the way. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now our light is right here in the middle. We want to get it somewhere in there. Hot booty. And hopefully we don't drop anything. I don't want to go up and down that ladder any more than I have to. It's just plastic, so I don't want to over tighten it. May have to reach up from underneath and get that, because I didn't think about putting that cord up here. Oh well, let's get off this roof. I think we'll be able to reach that from down there. At least I hope so. Here goes the fun part. Much, much too high to jump. All right, we're back on the ladder again. Kind of like back on the saddle, or back in the saddle again, huh? Whoo! We made it, folks. I see that cord right there. So I think maybe if we get the ladder up here, we'll be able to see it from down here. Okay, remember, don't do what I did. Once you get that up, the light up there, as I was saying, make sure you get your cable out. You know what? Why didn't y'all remind me? The cable was in our pocket. We could have plugged it in, dropped it down, plugged it in right here and be done right now. Well, it's a real review, non-scripted. So there you go. That sun's awful bright looking straight into the sun, which that's okay. That means our solar panel's looking straight into the sun too. I'll run that like that. There. Now we should be getting some solar. Y'all don't go anywhere. We'll find out as soon as it gets dark, if it works. Well, I was just looking at the instructions. We forgot a minor detail. Please turn on the power switch on the back of the product before using it. So we want to, let's see, mode 1, 2, and 3. Long press to power on. Short press to switch the mode after the power on. Mode 1, enter the motion sensing at night. Mode 2, enter the low light at night. Mode 3, enter the low light for 4 hours at night. We want the motion sensing. Let's go see if we can get it to work. Hopefully we get the modes right. Now that power switch is supposed to be right on the bottom side of where the solar panel was connected onto the back of the light originally. Oh, it's right there. Easy peasy. Long press. Y'all think that's a long press? I think that's a long press. And then we'll press it once. Let's see what happens. See, I do this stuff so you don't have to, and you can laugh at my mistakes and learn from my mistakes. Is what it is.